Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, I've just woke up and I've been wondering what to have for breakfast.
What about cereal?
Nah, too plain.
What about peanut butter jam toast?
Getting kind of lame.
Okay, what do you have any idea?
Oh wait, we can make crepes, Mommy.
Oh, okay, that's a good idea.
Okay, and before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe, put a like on this video, and comment down below. What should we make for our next video? Okay guys, I'll prepare first. This is probably gonna take a few minutes for us, but it's only gonna take like no seconds for you. Alright, bye! Okay guys, we have the finished preparations, and what you need is 1 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and 3/4 cup of water. Oh, and Manuka honey, if you want to add it, it's really good for you, and the taste will explode your taste buds.
Don't forget, if you don't have honey, you can change it to
Sugar. And also you can add your favorite topping. My favorite topping was strawberry, but we didn't have it, so we put kiwi. Kiwi has lots of vitamin C. So we have chocolate spread with multi-crunchy pieces and cocoa. Alright, let's begin. First you put the dry ingredients in. Next, you pour the wet ingredients, like the milk. Ooh, that's nice. Don't mix it yet. Okay, now we're gonna pour some nice water. Now it's whisking our eggs time. Let's move that along here. Grab our eggs here. I love doing this. Oh, I love that. Now let's add it. That was quick. Bring this back. Now we're gonna add Manuka honey for some taste. Like this. I love Manuka honey. It's really good. Make sure you must mix it in well. Should we go on to the baking?
Okay, I have to help Cascade. So we just put a little bit of oil, and this is already hot. The pan is hot.
Very hot. Parental supervision, guys. Parental supervision. Don't do this alone.
Okay, so I'm gonna pour the batter.
It should be runny because you want thin crepes. Not
And then like make it like a circle like that.
Brown. Woo! Sweet. You want a golden brown color, don't you? Show you. I'll zoom in and show you guys. See, there are bubbles right there.
Okay, ready? Flip. 3, 2, 1, and pop!
Awesome! That's the golden brown crispy color you want. Okay, I'm ready to spread this topping. Some. Ooh, okay guys, I already put my topping on. It's really good. I love this. It's so nice. Yay! Okay, I'm done with the chocolate spread, guys. Now, let's put the kiwis. Yay! Boop. Boop. Okay, I've put 5 kiwis on. Now let's flip it. Yay, we made a crepe. No kiwi, you need to stay in there so I can eat you, please. Thank you.
Yay! Now taste it time.
It's really good. The Manuka honey from the pancake and the sourness of the kiwi mixed with the sweetness of the chocolate spread. My taste buds are out of the moon.
Perfect combination.
below if we should do another nom nom flamingo.